Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Skullcandy Jib True Wireless Earphones. On the front of the box, we have an image of the earbuds itself. Up top, we have some Skullcandy branding. Underneath that, we have a slogan that says Totally Wireless Essential. Over here, we have the battery life, which is a total battery life of 22 hours. That is including the batteries in the earbuds and the charging case. On the bottom, we have a few of the salient features, which include IPX for water resistance, control for music and calls, and a noise isolating fit. On the left hand side, we simply have the Skullcandy logo. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the side. On the bottom, we have some safety and regulatory information, and on the back, we have some of the technical specifications. Here we have a detail about the exact battery life, which is 6 hours of battery life in the buds and 16 hours with the case. That gives you a total battery life of 22 hours as said on the front. Up next is the water resistance. That too we have gone through. Call, track, and volume control. It is also compatible with voice assistance, noise isolating fit, and it can be used as either a singular solo bud or with both of them. Over here we have a sticker that has the importing and manufacturing information, and on the bottom of the sticker we have the details for the customer care. On the right hand side, we have an image of the earbuds, and over here it illustrates the battery life for each. Up top, we can see that it is compatible with Android and Apple devices. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is a quick start guide. This can help you get started off with using the device quickly, and it tells you the startup procedure. Next is the user guide. This gives you a more in-depth overview of the device and all of its functions. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device. Lastly, we have a piece of card that has the information for the Skullcandy support page. It also has a QR code that will lead you to the website for the support, which will have some videos to help you get started off with using the device and some troubleshooting. The charging cable is also provided. It has a USB Type A interface on one end and a micro USB interface on the other. The whole thing is approximately 10 inches long. Skullcandy has also provided us with two additional ear tips. One of them is a size larger and one of them is a size smaller than the pair of ear tips that are already on the earbuds. Coming to the earbuds itself, we can see that it has a gray color theme going for it. The Skullcandy logo is on the side. Underneath that, we have an LED light that is blinking blue and red, indicating that it is in pairing mode. The ear tips are a darker shade of gray and they too have the Skullcandy logo on them. On the underside, we have the indicator of which earbud this is. This one is the L, meaning that it is for the left ear. It also has the charging connection points. Coming to the charging case, we can see that there is a dual tone color theme going for it over here, with a darker shade of gray all around, predominantly darker shade of gray, and a lighter shade of gray around the brim of the lid. It's also a light gray on the inside. On the inside, we also see the slots for the earphones and the charging pins. One thing to note is that the slots are magnetic, so you cannot put the wrong earphone in the wrong slot. The charging case also has an LED light on the front, and on the back it has the a micro USB charging port. Up top is the Skullcandy logo. So let's get started off with using these earphones. For the purposes of this video, we will be connecting these earphones to an Android smartphone via Bluetooth. Since it is already in pairing mode, we will go into the Bluetooth settings of the smartphone and look for it in the available devices section. The Bluetooth name is Jib True. Tap on it to begin the pairing process. Now that it is connected, we can see that it is in use for calls and media playback. We can also see that the battery level is at 100%. Now we can use these earphones to listen to our favorite tunes. So this was the unboxing of the Skullcandy Jib True Wireless earphones. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.